Troopy time, first month 1980, HJ45. It's only a few months off being a 47. Doesn't need to be. This one's, it's been with us for a little while. It first came in for power steer. So we put the power steer on the H motor, the 60 series power steer, and then the disc brake upgrade. So with the disc brakes, again you need a new booster. So we've got the 80 series booster in there, all the stuff that we have on the shelf. And before it left, the owner rings up and says, can you throw a 5-speed in it? And so not only has it got a 5-speed, but we rebuilt the box, we rebuilt the transfer and threw it in. I personally read a lot in forums and they cop a bit of stick putting a 5-speed in a H motor, but with the turbo was already on it. With the turbo, Richard and I have taken this for a few drives up the highway and she hums, it really motors. Interior wise, it's pretty standard, but since it's been with us, he wanted to upgrade the seats. And a lot of guys are doing the XR6, XR8 seats. This gentleman's found some just standard BA Falcon seats and they're really comfy too. So as the XR6, 8 seats are becoming harder to get, have a look at the Falcon seats. They're really comfy and I'll definitely throw these in mine. One well-kept Troopy.